Hello, everybody. I'm Dheeraj Lochani from Dubai, and I'm here with the Assure Clinic team. A bit about myself. I had done my transplant with some other clinic in Dubai. I don't want to name the clinic here, but wasn't really happy with the results over a period of 3 years. And a couple of my other friends have done their transplant from Assure, and I got convinced to visit them once. Here I met Dr. Abhi personally, and he took me through the process of how he's going to conduct the surgery in detail. Got convinced, and here I am after 6 months of my surgery done from Assure Clinic. Pretty much safe, sound, no pain, no medications, most importantly. And let me also tell you, I did not have to shave my head off to do the surgery, which was the most attractive part in my getting convinced to go ahead with Assure Clinic. So yes, if you guys are looking for something like this or a transplant, please contact them.